Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to add the files that were already created into your folders. To do that you have to go to that particular file. So I want to add a form file. So click forms and then click on the actions on the particular form that you want to add and click add to folder. So now this box opens up and select the particular folder that you want this file to be added and click add. File is added to the folder. We'll go and check it now. So here we have the form that we just added into this folder. Likewise, you can also do the same thing for a PDF or even for a PDF template. So open the PDF file and click on the actions next to the file that you want to be added to the folder and click add to folder. And also select the particular folder and click add. We'll go and check it now. So here we have the file that we just added. Thank you.